Okay, this is the Schindler MT elevator right in front of IKEA here in Paramus, New Jersey. This elevator also serves Bed Bath & Beyond and Christmas tree shops. So without further ado, here we go. It's a Schindler MT. Haven't been on a Schindler MT in a while. Garage parking elevator number 1. Let's see how these things are holding up in 2019. If it'll get here. That's the next question. Will it get here? Oh, there it is. Not much has changed. Oh, broken indicator. Oh boy. Wow, we have a Schindler MT indicator that does not work. And these things are what? Only 10, almost 20 years old? That's simple. That's simple fixing Schindler. I mean, come on. Pretty basic Schindler. Looks like they got new interiors. Let's ring the alarm. Ooh, nice loud bell. 5,000 pound capacity. Let's go back up to blue level parking. Obviously Schindler MT vandal resistant fixtures. And they have a barb there so that no one touches the phone, but I don't see why you could use that. Obviously, on a Schindler, the door close button does not work. And here we are at 3. Let's go back down to G. I mean 2, I'm sorry. Back down to G. That's your Schindler logo with an installation date of 0303, a 2003 installation. Nice. I love how the indicator doesn't work too. That's just, I mean, come on. I don't know who maintains this property, but whoever maintains this property, please fix your indicator. I mean, I know these elevators don't get used much, but I mean, fixing an indicator should not be at the bottom of the priority list, especially for a town like Paramus. I mean, that should be high demand, especially if somebody uses this elevator, which I don't think anybody does. I bet you I'm the first person riding this elevator today, because everybody uses the elevators in the stores. Door close doesn't work. Oh, it does work when you press the button, though. Interesting. Nice. Shows Schindler. The lantern. There it goes, and that's it.